Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove your payment method on Domino's Pizza. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Domino's Pizza application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, if you of course don't have one, you can go and register to Domino's Pizza. Now guys, when you did that, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the, first of all, delivery at and the order now button. And in the top left corner, guys, we have again the order button. Just a second. We have the pizza tracker, your profile, legal notice. We have data privacy, terms and conditions, and Domino's more. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove your payment method on Domino's Pizza. Well, it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the top left corner and click on these three dots here. And then you need to go and click on your profile, which is the third option when you're looking from the top to the bottom. When you click on profile, you'll need to go and click on the second option here, which is the payment. And here you can see your card details are secure saved with your payment provider. Domino's does not have access to these details. And as you can see, no cards are available at the moment. But guys, when you have one, it will be here, and you can just click on the three dots and click on remove payment method or remove the card. And that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I will be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Goodbye, guys.